All right, we're here today with Mike, and Mike is about to get started with Dr. Davis. So, Mike, you're coming in for knee pain.
Correct.
How long have you had the knee pain?
About 6 months.
Okay. Is there anything in particular that you noticed that started it to hurt?
No.
So there was no injury, no slip and fall or anything
No.
like that? Okay. All right. So, 0 to 10, your discomfort level today?
About a 3 or 4 today.
Okay. And that's kind of low for you
Yeah, it's low.
because over the
usually
weekend?
Usually it's about 7.
Okay. All right.
When it acts up, it's not always. It doesn't. It comes and goes. So it's
Okay.
It's been at one of its worst spots
Okay.
the last couple of weeks.
And you're very active. You like to
Yes.
keep active, doing things outdoors, things like that. So what kind of activities do you like to do?
Bike ride, I golf, work out.
Oh, good. Good. So we got to keep you active.
Right.
All right. So have you tried anything else to try to get the knee pain away? So this is
No.
your first attempt to?
Right.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you do a couple things for me.
Okay.
The first thing I'm going to have you do is just stand up for me. Did you feel discomfort when you did that?
Yes.
And where did you feel it?
Across the front and over the side a little bit.
Okay, so it's below that kneecap and up
Right.
along the side there. Okay. I'm going to have you put your feet shoulder length apart, arms straight out in front of you, keeping your heels on the ground. I'm going to have you squat down. And slowly come back up. Where did you feel it?
Same place.
Same spot. All right. All right, Mike. We're going to have you go up and down the stairs. I'm going to see how you navigate the stairs here. All right, we're going to go back up. Okay, so which was worse for you, going up or down the stairs? Down the stairs? And was it in the same spot as the other ones? Okay. And did you happen to notice when you were going down the stairs, is it when you were bending your knee or when you were putting your weight on it?
Weight on it.
Put the weight on it. All right, you ready to get started?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do it.
4, 5, 6, 7. Up a little. Good. Last one. Deep breath and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Okay. You just hold it there. Just hold the stretch. Good. Okay, that's good. Good job. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to do the psoas on this side. I got it. Okay, I gotta work through here. Take a deep breath. And just pull your knee up. Good. I'm gonna stop you there. Just hold it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach to the floor. All the way down. Yeah.
Touch your toes.
Nice deep breath. Pull that knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach to the floor. Nice deep breath and pull it up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach to the floor. And last one, deep breath and pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach down to the floor. Good. Okay?
All right, come on out here, Mike. I'm going to have you walk to the end of the hall and back.
All right.
Does it feel different?
Yeah, it's not. I don't have to deal with the pain I had.
Okay. So that the pain is less?
A lot less.
A lot less. All right, we're back with Mike, and Mike has finished his procedure with Dr. Davis. So, Mike, can you stand up for me? How was that?
Better.
Better. All right, feet shoulder length apart, arms out in front. How low can you go? Ooh, that was fast and looked like it was real smooth, too.
Yeah.
That much better?
Much better.
All right, let's go up and down the stairs. Look, you look like a pro now. All right, so how you feeling, Mike?
That's a lot better.
What changes have you noticed?
Not having the pain I was having.
Right?
I mean, it's,
Do you feel like you're moving smoother?
oh yeah, much.
Okay, because that's what I noticed. It seemed
Yeah.
like it was really natural for you, and
Right.
you're just doing it with ease.
Yeah.
So you were at a 4 when we started. What do you think you are now?
A 1 at the most.
At the most?
Yeah.
And we haven't even done therapies yet.
Right.
So you happy with today's visit?
Yes, ma'am.
Sweet. Yes. All right, let's get you started.